Before you watch this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Spark Fishing. If you're new to this channel, I make fishing videos in Korean and English. And today, we're going to be reviewing the Cadence Baitcaster reel. So today, this is like a brand new reel. I just got it in my mail. And this model is CB8. Cadence, they make very good quality reels, rod and reels. And when this Baitcaster came out, I was very excited, and my wife got me as my Christmas gift. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and show you the specs and how it feels and everything. So here we go. So this is there was another box on top, like brown box, and after that, very simple, just this. And when I open it, so it comes in this box right here, and there's a reel, and that's it. There's a customer, but other than that, that's about it. And I ordered left-handed. Right here, I'm gonna see how it feels first. Very smooth, magnetic. On the right side, there is magnetic knob, and on the left, there's tension knob. Feel very solid. And overall, the weight of this is very light. And also, I like this the oversized knob. I've used Cadence reel before, and when they're reels, this one is not very slippery. This has really nice grip right here on the knob. Yeah, so far it looks cool. Very light, feels good, very smooth. Let me read you guys some of the specs that we have here. You can see this on the right here. So gear ratio, this one is 6.61, 12 pound, 120 yards, and max drag is 20 pounds, and weight is 6.7 ounce. And this one is 25 inch per turn, and 9.9 and plus stainless steel bearing, EVA handle knob, carbon fiber drag washer, aluminum main gear, hard brass pinion gear, external adjustable magnetic brake, and machine aluminum spool, aluminum star drag, spool tension knob, and graphite frame. Yeah, so this reel looks gorgeous. Really like it. They got this like little bit of dark grayish hair color, and also inside it's like a blue color. Yeah, very nice, fancy looking. So there's a graphite, carbon. Looks more like a carbon. Yeah, I'm gonna spool this guy and give it a test. On the next video, I'll show you how really this performs on the water with casting, how it handles fish, and if it has any problems. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Check out my next video of how I really use this in the real fishing situation.